On the first day when this fire started, it was incredible to note the following one: the amount of media coverage, the amount of resources allocated to putting out this fire. In fact, firemen from all over the Cape Province were brought in to put out this fire, and the amount of assistance that was given to people in the form of refreshments. Now, when you look at the media coverage, people talk about how Cape Town has come together as one group of people caring for each other. But this kind of solidarity which you observe in the media is in stark contrast to what happened a few years ago when informal settlers in Hout Bay, also close to the mountain ridge, close to a firebreak, were actually forcibly evicted by the Democratic Alliance. And the excuse and justification used by the DA was that where the people were putting up their shacks was too close to the firebreak. In other words, if there's a fire in that area, the fire brigade would be unable to access and put out that fire because they first had to go through the shacks. When they evicted those people, it was done in a very violent manner. I think 2 people lost their eyes because the Metro Police used birdshot and rubber bullets to evict people from their home. I just look at the contrast. On the one hand, if you are rich, you're powerful, how you are treated. Remember, if that fynbos is burning, you're obviously close to a fire break. So what is this thing about, you can't be too close to a fire break, otherwise you need to leave your home. This is not what happens in rich areas. So if you look at Clove Valley, Gulf Estate, up on the mountain, once the fire starts burning, it's out of control, and everything in close proximity is in danger. And so when fires are burning out of control in townships, areas, you don't see this kind of solidarity action. You don't see this kind of resources being utilized by the provincial government to put it out. And whereas with these million rand homes, once the dust is settled, people will simply claim the insurance. Whereas all that will happen when a shack burns down is that we'll just get another shack. That's provided to you in terms of startup materials. So for me, that's a stark reality of our country in terms of race and class. Different strokes for different folks.